Welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk. My name is Rainer Prasad. In today's video, I'm going to show you unboxing and setup of Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. In this video, I'm unboxing a Fire TV Stick 4K Max. It's Wi-Fi 6 enabled, which requires an advanced router. If you don't have it, it doesn't matter. You can use the existing router. And it comes with a remote which is Alexa enabled, so you can use your voice to navigate the apps available on this system. You can install all the streaming apps you have a subscription to and use it with this Fire Stick. So it comes with a remote which is Alexa enabled, the Fire Stick, the USB cable, and then also it comes with the adapter, power adapter, as well as the HDMI extender. Now let's install the USB cable into the power adapter and get it ready, and the other side of it I'm going to connect it to the Fire Stick. So now it's ready to be plugged into the power outlet. So this is something you need. I mean, you can connect to the power outlet, it'll be on. Otherwise, you can actually, if the TV has already power outlet, you can do that, but sometimes it doesn't work. So I would directly put it to the plug-in of the house. So now I'm installing the batteries for the remote. So once I install the batteries, now we should be ready to go and connect the Fire Stick to my TV. So check the batteries, check if the remote is working. So it's all set now. I connected the Fire Stick to the TV and I started the it automatically starts the installation. And also, since I bought it on my account, it also attaches my account to the system, and then it starts looking for all the updates it needs to do. It sets up everything you need. So just wait and watch. Once the setup is complete, now you can enable some of the apps which are defaulted. So you can pick them as you set up your Fire Stick to watch. Hope this helps you. Enjoy a new Fire Stick. Thank you.